Once upon a time, in ancient India, there lived a young boy named Arjun. Arjun was a bright and curious young mind with a deep thirst for knowledge. He dreamt of becoming a learned scholar and making a significant impact on society. One day, Arjun heard fascinating tales about a renowned Buddhist monastery situated atop a remote mountain. This monastery was known for housing wise and enlightened monks who dedicated their lives to the pursuit of wisdom and enlightenment. Motivated by a burning desire to gain knowledge, Arjun made up his mind to undertake a challenging journey to reach the monastery. The path leading to the monastery was treacherous and filled with daunting obstacles. Arjun faced dense forests, steep cliffs, and wild creatures along the way. However, he remained undeterred by the hardships and embarked on his adventure with unwavering determination. He traversed scorching deserts, crossed turbulent rivers, and scaled towering mountains, never losing sight of his goal. After weeks of arduous travel, Arjun finally arrived at the monastery. The sight of the ancient structure nestled amidst serene surroundings filled him with awe and excitement. With great humility, he approached the head monk and expressed his heartfelt desire to study under their guidance. Impressed by Arjun's unwavering commitment, the head monk graciously welcomed him into the monastery. Arjun's days were now filled with rigorous study, deep contemplation, and disciplined practice. The monks taught him various subjects, including philosophy, meditation, and the ancient scriptures. They emphasized the importance of mindfulness, compassion, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge for personal growth and the betterment of society. Arjun embraced the monastic lifestyle wholeheartedly. He rose before dawn to meditate, immersed himself in the study of scriptures, and engaged in profound discussions with his fellow monks. The atmosphere within the monastery was charged with a sense of purpose and a genuine thirst for intellectual growth. As Arjun delved deeper into his studies, he encountered numerous challenges and faced moments of doubt. At times, the teaching seemed overwhelming, and his progress felt slow. However, he refused to give in to discouragement. He reminded himself of his initial determination and the profound purpose that propelled his journey. With time, Arjun's perseverance paid off. His knowledge expanded, and his understanding of the world deepened. He cultivated a profound sense of inner peace and clarity, which radiated through his interactions with others. The wisdom he gained at the monastery not only transformed him but also touched the lives of those who crossed his path. After several years of dedicated study, Arjun completed his training at the monastery. Grateful for the profound lessons he had learned, he resolved to share his wisdom and knowledge with people beyond the monastery walls. Arjun embarked on a journey, traveling to villages and towns, teaching the principles of mindfulness, compassion, and the pursuit of knowledge. His teachings resonated deeply with the people he encountered, and many sought his guidance and wisdom. Arjun became known as the Buddha, the Enlightened One. His teachings formed the cornerstone of Buddhism, a philosophy that continues to inspire and uplift countless individuals to this day. The story of Arjun's quest for wisdom and enlightenment serves as a timeless testament to the power of determination, perseverance, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. It teaches us that no matter how challenging the path may be, with unwavering dedication and an open mind, we can overcome obstacles and achieve greatness.